While thousands of visitors to Shanghai Disneyland on Sunday were queuing for roller coasters and watching fireworks above the fairy tale castle, staff quietly sealed the amusement. Are you kidding me? What is this? Oh my gosh, that's like communist. Yeah, I know it's the CCP, okay? Anyway, while thousands of visitors to Shanghai Disneyland on Sunday were queuing for roller coasters, staff quietly sealed the park. People in hazmat suits streamed in through the gates, preparing to test everyone for COVID before they could leave for the day. Nearly 34,000 people at Disneyland underwent testing, which ended close to midnight, long after festivities at the park are usually finished. Ferried home on 220 special buses. All were found Monday to be negative. All. But are still required to isolate at home for 2 days and be retested in 2 weeks.